Thanks again for stopping by and checking out our content here at National Gear Repair. We are a comprehensive industrial remanufacturing center, focusing on repair and remanufacturing of Hansen gearboxes. We work on all brands of gearboxes and pumps. In today's video, we will be checking out a repair we did on a Hansen gearbox. If you have an old or an obsolete gearbox that you can no longer find inner components for, we can reverse engineer and manufacture all missing inner components, such as all gears and shafts. We manufacture all gearing such as helical, herringbone, split herringbone, double helical, spiral bevel, spur gears, bull gears, and much more. At National Gear Repair, we offer free freight and free quotes nationwide. We also offer 24-hour emergency rush repair to make sure you get your Hansen gearbox repair. All mechanics at National Gear Repair are Timken bearing certified and Falk School certified. All bearings are installed utilizing thermal expansion and physics to shrink the shafts with liquid nitrogen, allowing for an easy installation of a superheated bearing that locks into place. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and remember to share this video. National Gear Repair has your back. Thank you for taking the time out here at the National Gear Repair to see our videos. You can clearly see in this widespread angle, we are a comprehensive remanufacturing center specializing on large induction gearboxes. As you can see in that video out there to the far right of mine, that is a pug mill box that we specialize in for the aggregate and mining industry, specializing in manufacturing new high-speed pinions. The box that I'm currently sitting on is a gearbox for a public utilities firm out in Northern California. We replaced a couple of gears, replaced all bearings and seals, and reset the bearing floats and preloads to the exact same specs that Western recommends. We also handle a lot of smaller boxes like this cone drive box that you see right here in front of you. This is more for the plastic injection and plastic extrusion industry. And one of the ones in the very front is a Falk gearbox. That is for a conveyor, for a mining industry, again, aggregate industry. While you're there, I might as well mention that that white gearbox, that is a very unique gearbox. That is a Krausmaffei German twin screw extruding gearbox. Very specially timed. Not a lot of guys have the yoking keys or the timing keys to repair those, and we do here at National Gear Repair. The box that my brother Peter is standing on right here is a CPM, better known as the California Pellet Mill. And we Rebored the housing out. It had some excessive bearing damage. Rebored the housing, re-sleeved it obviously, manufactured a new pinion, replaced every single bearing and seal. Box that my younger son John is sitting on is another extruder gearbox called a Coleman gearbox. That gearbox is being done on emergency rush repair. Actually, as we speak, we are manufacturing a new high-speed helical gear set, replacing all the thrust bearings, obviously reset all the bearing floats and the bearing preloads. And the box in my very end right there is my younger brother, Eric, standing on, is a large Hansen P4, again for a public transportation firm out in Northern California. But please don't forget that we specialize on doing emergency rush repair nationwide. Some of our top clients are actually in the heartland of America, Ohio, Michigan, out in eastern Pennsylvania. So don't let the distance of California scare you boys away. We have a very good team that we work with, so I can handle all logistics. National Gear offers free freight nationwide and free quotes. And this is what we do to stay ahead of our competition. Not to mention, everything is tested after we're done repairing it. Make sure there's no vibration, no overheating, or any abnormalities. This is why here at National Gear Repair, we warranty all work for 24 months from the date of install. So please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have a great day.